Once upon a time, Africa stood strong. And even now, hope still lives. From the sands of ancient kingdoms to the gold that filled our land, from the wisdom of our elders to the work of many hands, from the north down to the south, from the east unto the west. There was beauty, there was purpose, there was honor, there was rest.
We were given so much life,
So much promise,
so much light,
but somewhere
we lost our way. A cry for Africa,
hear our voice.
from every people,
Every choice, through every trial, through every fall, you've still been there through it all. A cry for Africa.
can you see?
What we are and what can be. Almighty God,
Almighty God,
remember us. Let your mercy fall again. We have walked through many seasons. Some we chose and some we faced. Through the fire and the testing, through the loss we still embrace. Oh, there are wounds that need your healing.
there are paths we must restore.
There is strength within our story.
There is so much worth fighting for.
We are rising, we are learning, we are seeking something more.
Cry for Africa,
Hear our voice.
from every people,
Every choice, through every valley, through every storm, you are calling us to more. Oh, hey. Hey.
if we turn our hearts again, if we seek your face as one,
If we walk in truth and justice,
healing here has just begun.
not by power,
Not by my might,
but by your spirit,
we will stand.
you are able, you are willing to restore this land.
Cry for Africa, hear our song.
We've been searching for so
Been
long.
searching for so long,
Now we rise with hope renewed.
trusting all our strength in you.
Hey,
A cry for Africa,
we believe
you
it.
are more than
We can see. Almighty God, remember us.
oh.
Let your mercy fall like rain. There is hope. There is healing. There is a future. Africa, rise again.